Welcome to the SYSVIEW Performance Management, how to stop multiple STCs when stopping SYSVIEW video. As the associated knowledge base article describes, this video is about the stopping of the SYSVUSER STC at the same time as the SYSVIEW STC, but without entering additional commands. As the question was originally posed, it was how can we stop SYSVIEW and SYSVUSER with the psysview command. Now this is entirely possible. SYSVIEW has a parmlib member called the stopcmd parmlib member, which allows if logic to be placed in so that when the SYSVIEW STC is stopped, other STCs can be stopped as well. This is traditionally located in the CNM4BPRM parmlib member, but as you'll see for the purposes of this video, I'm looking at the default member, which is located in the ANM4BPRM library. So to start, you can do a find against the stopcmd parmlib member, and for this video I'll just be doing a browse against it. You can see that this is the member where you would contain a list of the MVS operator commands that are to be issued at the start of termination for CA SYSVIEW main and user address spaces. When editing this member in your CNM4BPRM parmlib, it is important to note that there is a logical end of file line and all if logic must be placed above it. Looking at the examples below, you can see the first example with if logic is specifically for the SYSVUSER STC. It starts with if sysname, and in the question marks would be the LPAR name. Then if job name SYSVIEW followed by job active SYSVUSER, then you would want to stop SYSVUSER. The second example is set up for basically any job name that you would want to use, but it's very similar with the if logic. Now on the other side of things, it is also possible for SYSVIEW to start other STCs as it is being started. There is the startcmd parmlib member, which I will now show, that deals very similarly with things as the stopcmd parmlib member does, but in the terms of actually starting the address space. You'll see the single example in here is if job name equals SYSVIEW, if job inactive equals SYSVUSER, then start SYSVUSER. Now moving over to a SYSVIEW session, I will show an example in action of stopping multiple STCs when SYSVIEW is being stopped, and also bringing them back up. The job names related to this are not the default of SYSVIEW and SYSVUSER, so just keep that in mind. So I will issue the shortened activity command, which is act, against a qualifier, so I can bring up multiple job names on the display. You'll see that there are 4 job names listed. They start with P. So if I go ahead and issue a /P in SYSVIEW against the SYSVIEW main address space, STC, and press enter, you'll see that it goes ahead and the command is issued. And if I refresh, you'll see that not only 1 has gone away. So 3 of the 4 listed have been stopped according to what is in the stopcmd parmlib member. Now I want to bring these jobs back up. I can go ahead and issue a /s to start SYSVIEW. And as you see, there are now 4 job names listed again. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.